If you cook often, you know how small gadgets can make a big difference in the kitchen. From cutting prep time to saving counter space, the right tools don't just make cooking easier, they make it enjoyable. Today, we're going through 10 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets loved by thousands of home cooks. These aren't your average tools. Each one is smartly designed to save time, reduce mess, and help you cook like a pro right at home. Let's get started. Number 1, once for all upgrade safe mandolin slicer. If you've ever sliced vegetables and ended up nicking your fingers, this slicer is a lifesaver. The Once for All mandolin slicer is built around one simple idea: safety without compromise. It has a fully enclosed design, which means your hands never touch the blades. You just place your vegetables inside, push the handle, and it slices evenly every single time. With adjustable thickness settings, you can julienne carrots, dice potatoes, or slice cucumbers exactly how you want. People love it because it's fast, easy to clean, and extremely safe, even for beginners. If you want perfectly cut veggies without the risk, this one belongs on your counter. Number 2, Naretva 6-in-1 toaster oven and air fryer. Why fill your counter with multiple appliances when one can do it all? The Naretva 6-in-1 toaster oven and air fryer combines 6 kitchen tools in a single compact machine: a toaster, air fryer, oven, dehydrator, pizza maker, and broiler. You can toast your breakfast, bake pizza, air fry fries, or even dehydrate fruit snacks in one place. The smart temperature control and multiple modes help cook food evenly while saving energy. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone wanting to minimize clutter. The retro design adds a nice aesthetic touch, making it both functional and stylish. This is one of those gadgets that once you use it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Number 3, Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. If you've seen viral cooking videos, you've probably seen the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, one of the most popular kitchen tools online, and for good reason. It comes with multiple interchangeable blades, letting you chop, dice, and spiralize vegetables in seconds. Just press down the lid and the food falls neatly into the built-in container. No tears while cutting onions. No mess on the board. The non-slip base keeps it steady, and the stainless steel blades last long and stay sharp. Perfect for meal prepping, salads, or large family dinners where speed and consistency matter. In short, this chopper saves time and keeps your kitchen cleaner. 2 things every cook appreciates. Number 4, Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. Eggs are a breakfast staple, but cooking them perfectly every time isn't always easy. The Dash Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker takes all the guesswork out. You can boil, poach, or scramble eggs with just a button press. It automatically shuts off when the eggs are done, so there's no overcooking or waiting by the stove. It can cook up to 12 eggs at once, making it great for families or anyone who meal preps. Compact, versatile, and easy to store. You can even use it to steam vegetables or make small omelets. Simple, quick, and reliable. Number 5, Euhomi Cold Press Juicer Machine. For those who love fresh juice but hate the noise and mess, the Euhomi Cold Press Juicer is a great pick. It uses a slow masticating system, extracting juice more efficiently while keeping nutrients intact. You'll get juice with less foam and minimal pulp, and it's quiet enough to use early in the morning without waking anyone up. The juicer separates pulp automatically, making cleanup simple. With detachable dishwasher-safe parts, it's easy to assemble and store, perfect for anyone who wants to add more fruits and veggies to their diet without compromising on taste or freshness. Number 6, Feppo Vacuum Sealer for Food. If you often find leftovers going bad or freezer space running out, this gadget will change that. The Feppo Vacuum Sealer removes air from bags and seals them tightly, keeping food fresh up to 5 times longer. It's great for preserving meats, fruits, vegetables, and snacks, and works perfectly for sous vide cooking too. Just insert the bag, close the lid, and press the button. It saves both food and money while reducing waste. Compact, powerful, and reliable, it's a must-have for batch cooking or meal prepping. Number 7, Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. If your mornings are all about pancakes, eggs, and sandwiches, you'll love the Dash Deluxe Everyday Griddle. It offers a large, non-stick surface that heats evenly, letting you cook multiple items at once, no more waiting for one pancake to finish before starting the next. Because it's electric, you can control the temperature easily, and cleanup is simple, just wipe the surface after it cools. Perfect for family breakfasts, weekend brunches, or anyone who enjoys comfort cooking. Compact, efficient, and built to last. Number 8. Zule Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. The Zule Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is one of those small gadgets that make you wonder why you didn't get it sooner. Instead of risking your fingers on a regular grater, you place cheese or nuts in the drum and rotate the handle. It grates perfectly with minimal effort. Safer, faster, and easier to clean. It's great for adding Parmesan to pasta, chocolate to desserts, or nuts for baking. Compact, durable, and incredibly efficient. Number 9, Typhor InstaProbe Meat Thermometer. Cooking meat to the right temperature can be tricky, but the Typhor InstaProbe Meat Thermometer makes it effortless. It reads the temperature in less than 1 second with professional grade accuracy. Whether you're grilling steak, roasting chicken, or baking fish, you'll know exactly when your food is perfectly cooked. The probe folds neatly into the handle for safe storage, and the digital screen is bright and easy to read. A small tool that instantly boosts your cooking confidence. No more guessing or overcooking. Number 10, Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker. If you love movie nights or healthy snacks, the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper is a fun addition to your kitchen. It makes popcorn using hot air instead of oil, meaning fewer calories and no greasy cleanup. Just pour in the kernels, switch it on, and you'll have a fresh bowl in about 2 minutes. Add melted butter or your favorite seasoning afterward. Quick, safe, and a lot more affordable than store-bought microwave popcorn. It's the perfect gadget to end your day on a cozy note, simple, healthy, and enjoyable. These gadgets might seem small, but each one adds real value to your kitchen. They make cooking safer, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for family, or just learning your way around the kitchen, these tools help you do more with less effort. Which of these gadgets would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen finds and home ideas.